tell this to anybody, okay? It's a Tagalog song, but it's happy birthday. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Claire! Ang pinaka-ina-admire ko kay Ate Claire is how humble, tsaka kung gaano siya ka-responsable. Tsaka yung pagiging matalino niya sa maraming aspeto. Tapos, naalala ko nung bata kami, siya yung laging tumutulong sa akin kung paano mag-swimming. Tsaka kung paano ko i-overcome ko yung fear na yun. Ayun lang.
Ngayon, Ate Claire, huwag kang magbabago, stay humble. Sobrang ina-admire ka namin kasi sobrang brainy mo, tapos napakaganda mo pa. Yun lang, palaging magpe-pray, palagi kang magsisik ng guidance kay God. We love you, palagi kami nandito para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Claire, ingat ka palagi. Good health and pagpatuloy mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. I love you.
We love you, Ate Claire.
Happy birthday, Ate Claire. Ito naman.
Happy birthday, Ate Claire. I love you.
We love you, Ate Claire. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Claire! Happy 18th birthday! You're so dalaga na talaga. God is so good that He has given you a lot of blessings all these years. You are so beautiful, smart, so smart talaga dahil you have the desire to know or to learn the Word of God. I remember a few years ago when you joined our church daily vacation Bible school, you were so active and enthusiastic that you even got an award for being the best memorizer. So I hope you continue learning the Word of God, fear God, and my wish for you is that is found in Psalm 37 verse 4. It says, "Delight also thyself in the Lord, and He shall give thee the desires of your heart." Sana palagi kang mag-pray, and we love you. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Claire!
Wish.
Wish namin sa'yo, sana lumaki kang may paggalang siyempre sa magulang, sa mga nakatatanda, and huwag mo kakalimutang magdasal lagi, pursue your dreams. Kaming lahat ay proud sa mga na-achieve mo. We love you!
We love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Claire, happy birthday! Ang bilis ng panahon, you're now 18 years old and I will not forget your 2 years na nakapag-attend kayo sa La Loma Baptist Church ng Daily Vacation Bible School. That very short week, alam ko na marami kayong natutunan, and always remember those things. And whatever career you choose or path in the future, always put God first. And this is a famous verse from Proverbs, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy path." Sabi naman ni Job sa 28:28, "And he said unto the man, Behold, the fear of the Lord, that is wisdom. To depart from evil, that is understanding." Remember, Claire, your health, your strength, your ability, all comes from God. Happy birthday, Ate Claire. Alam mo naman na love kita. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Claire! Good health and we miss you!
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. I miss you because now we make the same things. So, getting older can be a bit scary sometimes because we don't know each other. But 6 years apart, thank you. I'm sure you'll figure it out and be the best version of yourself. Always remember that your loved ones are rooting for you always. So you should believe in yourself and work hard. Happy birthday, Happy.
Happy birthday, Claire! God bless on your new journey and never give up on your dreams. Happy birthday!
There you go. Hi Claire! Happy 18th birthday! So, we were tasked to say 3 things about you. First is what we admire about you. What do I admire about you? Nothing. Nothing. I really can't think of anything. All kidding aside, you know that you're smart, but what I really admire about you is that you are mature. Not because mature is good, it's just because I'm immature. So whenever we hang, you know, it's a perfect balance because I'll always be immature. Second, favorite memory with you is whenever we play board games or, you know, just the simple stuff like playing cell phone games, because I see it in your body language that, you know, you try to play it so cool, but your eyes, Claire, they never lie. You try so hard, and yet you always end up losing. Keep trying, girl. And last, my wish for you is that for you to stop growing up so fast. God damn, 18? Such a dalaga already. And I hope that whatever you end up choosing in your life, I hope that you strive every day to become the best version of it. Your Ninong will always be in full support. Again, happy 18th birthday. Hope you're having the best time of your life.
Hi, Achi Claire! Happy birthday! I'm here in your house. It's Tita Jalen. First of all, I want to greet you happy birthday. Since you're already 18, you're a big girl now. And I think what I really like about you is that you're very mature for your age and that you're really smart and very responsible, unlike all your other titas. That doesn't include me because I'm also responsible. My most memorable moments with you, I really like that you grew up in our house as well. So, di ba, you like spending your summers in the house, and then we do dress-ups, and then we play. You even sing Taylor Swift songs, tapos kalbo-kalbo ka pa. Pero ngayon, at least may buhok ka na, di ba? So, those are really nice memories for me. And I'd like to believe that me, Tita Arms, Tita Ann, and Tita Giselle kind of helped mommy with like raising you as a good kid. Because we really care about you and Bowie. I think my wish for you is that since you're an achiever, diba, and you're very, I mean, kumbaga, if you have a road to success, it's already a straight line for you. So my wish for you is that I hope that as you grow old, you get to experience a lot of failures and mistakes and disappointments. Because I think all those things are very important so that you can grow as a person. So don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to commit mistakes because all of those are learning curves para you also learn more about yourself, learn more about others and the world. So, me, I'm very confident that whatever you want to achieve, you'll be able to get it. And all of us here, Mommy, at Wowie, and the Bees, all the titos and titas are just here to support you. And don't forget that if there are things that you need help, if you have problems and you don't want Mommy to know, you can always message us, okay? I love you, Achi! Oh, I forgot since I don't have Appa here, but maybe I'll put a video of Appa in this video so that he can greet you too. Okay? I love you, Achi. Bye!
Hi, Achi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
And so, meron daw 3 questions na dapat sagutin. So, first sa akin, what I admire most about Achi is yung iyong maturity and yung independence and reliability. I know that you are very competent. It runs in the blood.
Gaya-gaya eh. For me, same din. So, what I admire most for Claire is yun nga, maturity. So, upon our conversations, pag nakikita kita sa house, if kausap ka namin, so parang hindi 17 years old yung kausap. Actually, 18 ka na ngayon eh. So parang hindi
parang 50.
Parang tita ko yung kausap ko eh.
So very mature.
That's for me, very mature.
In a good way.
In a good way.
Yes.
In a good way.
So, memorable moment naman with her. Ako, kahit nung bata ka pa, lagi kang nasa bahay, yung dress-up games. I don't know kung naalala mo pa yon. Tapos even today, until now, I'm very happy kasi close ka pa rin sa amin, sa mga Ocampos and Octavianos.
So for me naman, since di pa naman ako ganun katagal sa family, so most memorable siguro is pag nag-game nights tayo sa house, you're very competitive. So manang-mana talaga sa tita mo. So that's for me.
Yan. And then, of course, last one, yung wish para sa'yo. Ako, ang wish ko for Claire, I hope and pray na lumaki ka as a well-rounded individual. So, balance in all aspects of your life. Yung katalinuhan, andyan na yan, yung kasipagan. Pero, syempre, there are other more important things in life. So, ayun, balance. And, of course, I want you to be happy. Kung anong mga goals mo, sana ma-achieve mo. Ayun.
So, for me naman, actually, nasabi na lahat ni Giselle. So, continue to reach for your dreams. Do not be afraid to fail. And sometimes, it's okay to take a rest or take a break. Kasi alam kong mahilig kang mag-aaral. So, that's for me.
Ayan. So, ayun lang. We hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Claire! Happy 18th birthday to our first baby, who is now a lady. I remember the first encounter we had with you was during the wake of Papa Danny. While you were asleep, inuwi ka namin sa Imus to help the Perez family. Kami muna ang mag-aalaga sa'yo. Well, it's okay from the beginning, but nung magising ka, you were looking for your mom. Hindi ka umiyak, but nag-hunger strike ka. So, inuwi ka namin sa Manila, and then after that, after a few years, always ka nang nagbabakasyon dito sa amin. Na-choice mo na yon. Well, ngayon na you
Not
are...
by force.
Not by force. And now you are 18. Enjoy life. Enjoy what you have right now. Your family, your friends, your relatives. But always be responsible with your actions. We wish you all the best in life. Sana ma-achieve mo ang dreams mo, ma-realize mo what you want for your life in the future. And we are always here. We, the Paredeses, are always here to support you. We love you, and again, happy birthday and God bless you more.
We love you and happy birthday, Claire.
Happy birthday, Claire. God bless you more. Beautiful, healthy, and God bless you. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hello Claire, happy birthday. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung magandang layunin sa buhay, yung pag-aaral, huwag mong pababayaan. Bless kami mga Rosales, binigay ka sa amin ni Lord, na nung nagbigay si Lord ng blessing, nakuha mo ng lahat. Yan ang batang brain and beauty. So, ang mama mo, huwag mo rin pababayaan. Yun lang, happy birthday and God bless you always.
Yes. Happy 18th birthday, Claire. You're already grown up.
what I admire about you is how competitive you are in a good way, and we all know you hate losing so much. And most memorable moment when you were a baby. After school, I help your mom take care of you because she's at work. I make your milk, and what I wish for you is for you to achieve your dreams. I wish you don't lose your way. You have your family, me, your mom, and your titos and titas, the lolas, and you have good friends, and we can see that in you. Happy birthday, treasure everyone.
Hi, Ate Claire! Happy birthday!
My favorite memory with you was when we were at the condo and we played Mario Party together. I really liked it, especially when we played the one where you push down the thingies for the barrels.
What I admire most about Claire is hindi siya madamot with her knowledge. She's always willing to share and help others grow. I pray na sana lagi kang i-guide ni Lord with what you do and in making decisions in your life. So, ayun lang. Chase your dreams and stay true to yourself.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Claire! We love you!
Happy birthday, Claire. I really admire your pagiging responsibleng leader. Hindi na yung masipag pag-aaral kasi lahat tayo masipag talaga. Nasa lahi na natin yan. Pagiging matalino. Memorable sa akin, yung nakatira pa kayo sa Blue House, nakikitira ako doon, at yung takot mo sa ipis. Ayun. And what I wish is sana bilisan mo na kumain, and huwag ka magbago kung ano ka ngayon. Ayun lang. I love you, Claire Darin. Happy 18th birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Claire. Happy birthday. Laging good girl, ha. Mag-aral lang maayos. Mamahalin mo si Mami and Chloe. At lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo, my baby is dalaga na, but no boyfriend muna. Ha? Focus on your studying. Para sa iyo yan, ha? For your future. Okay, I love you, Claire. Be good always.